students, welcome back. Now this video onward we will discuss the further part of machine. So let's start. Student, let's solve the numerical based on pulley. A block and tackle system has 5 pulleys. If an effort of 1000 Newton is needed in the downward direction to raise a load of 4500 Newton, calculate mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency. Now first of all, what is given? Number of pulleys given. Okay. So first whatever is given, first you note down that one. Now effort is given 1000 Newton. Load, that is given 4500 Newton. Now first we will calculate mechanical advantage. Now as earlier we have done, it is load upon effort. Okay. Now load is given 4500 while effort is given 1000. So it will be your 4.5. Okay. Now then it is asked velocity ratio. As earlier we have done, it is equals to number of pulleys in the block and tackle system. Okay. So it is 5. Now efficiency, you know how to find out efficiency? It is mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio. Correct? Now mechanical advantage is 4.5 and this is 5. So it is 0.9, or when you want to write in percentage, it will be 90%. Now students, let's solve this one. Draw a tackle to lift the load by applying the force in the downward direction. Mark the position of load and effort. Now, how to first deal with the direction? See. Yes, I discussed earlier how to draw when one of the... Yes, but it should be straight. This indicates the effort. Once you want to show you the direction, how you have to see. This is first strand, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Everywhere the tension is T. Now, what is asked? If the load is raised by 1 meter, through what distance will the effort be moved? Now, your displacement of load is 1 meter. They have asked you to calculate displacement of effort. Okay. Now, in the block and tackle system, you know that velocity ratio is equals to the number of pulleys. There are 5 pulleys. So, VR is 5. Now, you know VR is displacement of effort upon displacement of load. So, your 5 will be equals to displacement of effort upon 1. So, your displacement of effort will be 5 ones are 5 meter. Okay. Now, state how many strands of tackle are supporting the load. With the red, I have shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there will be 5 strands. Okay. After that, what it is asked? Calculate the mechanical advantage. What is the mechanical advantage of the system? Now, load is supported by 5 strands. So, it will be 5T. But effort always, as earlier I explained, it is 1T only. And you know, mechanical advantage is load upon effort. So, it will be 5T upon T. When you cancel out, your mechanical advantage is also 5. Now students, figure shows a block and tackle system of pulleys used to lift a load. You are asked to find how many strands of tackle are supporting the load. Okay. Now, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many strands you have observed? 4 strands. After this, what is asked? Just read the second part. Draw arrows to represent the tension. Already I have drawn. Everywhere tension is T. Okay. Now, you are asked to calculate. We have drawn the arrows. What is the mechanical advantage? Now, load is supported by 4 strands. So, load will be 40. Effort always with 1 strand. So, it will be T. And mechanical advantage is load upon effort. So it will be 40 upon T. When you cancel T, your mechanical advantage is 4. When load is pulled up by distance 1 meter. So displacement of load is given 1 meter. How far does the effort end move? It means you are asked to find displacement of effort. Now in block and tackle system, velocity ratio indicate the number of the pulleys used. Total pulleys are 4. So your VR is 4 and you know that VR is displacement of effort upon displacement of load. So your 4 will be equals to dE upon 1. 4 ones are 4. So your displacement of effort is 4 meter. Now student, let's solve the next sum. A pulley system has velocity ratio 3 and efficiency of 80%. You are asked to draw a label diagram of this pulley system. You know that in pulley system, velocity ratio indicate number of pulleys. Since here the velocity ratio is 3, so there are 3 pulleys. So let's first draw the diagram. Yes. Now, in this, load is supported by 3 strings. 1, 2 and 3. But here velocity ratio is given. Velocity ratio is 3. Efficiency is 80%. Let's first convert it into the fraction. So it will be 80 upon 100. That is 0.8. Now in the first part, they have asked you to calculate mechanical advantage. You know that efficiency is MA upon VR. Now here efficiency is 0.8. You are asked to calculate mechanical advantage. Velocity ratio is 3. So when you multiply 0.8 with 3, you will get 2.4. So your mechanical advantage is 2.4. In the second part, they have asked you to calculate the effort to raise the load of 300 Newton. So load is given 300 Newton. You are asked to calculate the effort. Now another formula of mechanical advantage is load upon effort. Now you have calculated your mechanical advantage 2.4. Load is given 300. You are asked to calculate effort. So your effort will be 300 upon 2.4. When you solve this, you will get your effort equals to 125 Newton. Students, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood whatever I explained. Then also, if you have any doubt, put your comment. And if you are new to the channel, share and subscribe.